You're welcome, everyone. And in this video, we're going to be solving problem on differentiation using first principle. And the question says we should differentiate y equal to 2x squared plus x plus 2. So we have y equals 2x squared plus x plus 2. Of course, in our last video, we've talked about the step-by-step, process in solving differentiation using first principle. So we're going to be continuing from there. So the first thing we need to do is what? We need to get change in y. So we have y plus delta y. Whatever change occurs in y must also occur in x. So, but we are going to be solving them individually because we have a term here which is 2x squared. We have another term which is x, but we have a constant. So there won't be any change for constant because we are differentiating with respect to x. So whatever change occurs in y must also occur in x, but this is a constant which is 2. So we have y plus delta y equals 2 into bracket. You know how to get change in x squared because x squared is representing x multiplied by another x. So when you get the first change in x, it becomes x plus delta x. Then you get the second change for the x here, it becomes x plus delta x. Then you multiply them together, it becomes x plus delta x times x plus delta x, which is x plus delta x all squared. So it's going to be x plus delta x all squared, then plus, this is ordinary x, so just x plus delta x. Then we have 2, no change, plus 2. Then the next thing we need to do is, this is having square, we need to expand. So we have y plus delta y equals 2 into bracket x plus delta x multiplied by x plus delta x again, because that's the square. Then plus x, of course, then plus delta x, then plus 2. So we are writing everything one after the other, like that. Then upon expanding, we have y plus delta y equals 2 in bracket. So expanding x plus delta x times x plus delta x is going to give us x squared plus 2x delta x, then plus delta x squared. We've done that in the last video. Then we have then plus x plus delta x plus 2. So from here, we're going to be having y plus delta y equals, so we're going to be using 2 to multiply all through. So we have 2x squared, then 2 times 2x delta x, that's plus 4x delta x, then 2 times delta x squared becomes plus 2 bracket delta x squared, like this. Then we have plus x plus delta x, then plus 2. Of course, we have any like terms there? No like terms presently. So we bring y to the right hand side, because don't forget, we are looking for delta y over delta x. That's where we are going. So we need to bring y so that we are going to be having only delta y. So we have delta y equals 2x squared plus 4x delta x plus 2 delta x all squared plus x plus delta x plus 2. So from here, Then we have minus y, because we are bringing y to the right hand side. We are going to be substituting the value of y, which is 2x squared plus x plus 2. So we have delta y equals 2x squared plus 4x delta x plus 2 delta x squared plus x plus delta x plus 2. Then to substitute the value of y here, so which is going to be minus, because we have more than one terms, so I have to put bracket there. So we have 2x squared plus x plus 2. So expanding the bracket, we totally have delta y equals 2x squared plus 4x delta x plus 2 delta x squared, then plus x plus delta x again, then plus 2, then minus 2x squared, of course, because negative multiplying positive will give us negative. And again, negative multiplying positive x here give us minus x. Also, negative multiplying positive 2 will be minus 2. Of course, we have 2x squared and we have 2x squared and minus 2x squared giving us 0. We have plus x and minus x also subtracting each other out. So this is going to be reduced to delta y equals 4x delta x plus 2 delta x squared plus delta x. Of course, we have plus 2 and minus 2 to cancel each other out also. So this is what it will be reduced to. And don't forget, we are basically going to delta y over delta x. So we've gotten delta y. All we need to do is divide all through by delta x. So let us quickly divide all through by delta x. So we have it now. So we have delta y equals 4x delta x plus 2 delta x squared plus delta x. So dividing through by delta x, we have delta y over delta x equals 4x delta x over delta x plus 2 delta x squared over delta x, then plus delta x over delta x. So based on what we have here, we know that delta x and delta x give 1 here. We have delta x to cancel out 1 here, 1 from delta x squared here. Then delta x over delta x will be 1. So we are left with delta y over delta x equals, so we have 4x. Then we have plus 2, then we have delta x, then plus 1. Because delta x over delta x is going to be 1. So when we have situation like this, then we get the limit as delta x tends towards 0. And at that point, it becomes the y dx. So the y dx which is equal to limits as delta x tends to 0. So from here, which is going to be equal to 4x plus 2 times delta x is tending towards 0, so it becomes 0, then plus 1. So dy dx equals 4x plus 1, because 2 times 0 is going to come to 0. So dy dx equals 4x plus 1. And that's how you go about it. Now, do not forget to like, share, comment, and anticipate for the next question that we are going to be solving together. You are great.